CES 2024 starts for me tomorrow. I'm going to Las Vegas for the Consumer Electronics Show, and I'm going to be filming a ton of stuff to show you guys basically what's conceptually being created, what may actually be hitting store shelves soon, or just really cool events that are happening. But in order to do that, I have to bring some specific equipment. So what's in my bag type of thing. The bag video is going to be next, but this is the equipment that I'm bringing. First up, the main vlogging phone I'm going to be using is the Sony Xperia PRO-I. I've tested a ton of phones for photography, for videography, for vlogging. This is the best 4K OLED screen. It's got a 1-inch sensor, the same as the RX 100 Mark VII. It's spectacular for photos and video. And then it has the attached vlog camera and, of course, this vlogging kit right here, which is just so nice and convenient. The primary camera is the Sony ZV-E1. This is going to be most of my high quality footage. And this lens, it's spectacular. It's the brand new one from Sony, the FE16-35. It's the G Master 2. Yeah, the f2.8. I am in love with this. This is just the perfect vlogging and product showcase lens. For audio, we went platinum tier basically with the Rode Wireless Pros. 32-bit float, timecode sync, it basically doesn't get better than these. For the shotgun mic, we are using the very high quality ECM M1 by Sony. This is an 8-directional noise canceling shotgun mic that fits right into the hot shoe. I absolutely love this. So you can adjust the dial based on where you actually are. If you need a narrow band in front of the camera, if you need stereo, if you need 2 channels like left and right for like front and back, as well as just complete audio for everything, or just behind the camera as well. I love this, it's amazing. To help me with editing on the go, I'll be using the Sony LinkBuds S. So these have incredible noise cancellation, so I can clearly hear everything in terms of just editing from my cell phone. And in terms of editing from cell phones as well as laptops, it's the Sony XM4s. These are my favorite noise canceling and really just editing headphones and music headphones and watching movie headphones. I just love these. And for on-location editing, I always bring this with me. This is the Davinci Resolve Speed Editor. It cuts down my editing times like by 50%. If you want to get into editing, get this right away. And then because a lot of my high quality footage on the ZV-E1 is going to be in 10-bit, we're using this. This is the MSI Raider laptop. This actually has the Intel processor that is 13th gen. It has 24 cores, 32 threads. I upped this to 64 gigs of RAM, DDR5, and yeah, it has 4 terabytes of storage, plus Thunderbolt 4 ports at a 40 gigabit per second speed. So I'll be rocking this. This is basically a desktop on the go. And then finally, I'm bringing a stick with me. You never know when you have to poke something. And then an honorable mention is this. This is the Anker 737. So this is 24,000 plus milliamps. It's ridiculous. It actually does 140 watts of charging. So this can actually power that big MSI Raider laptop. It's intense. So this is just going to keep my cell phones charged, just everything charged. Yeah. And almost lastly, the bag that I'm going to be using, and I'll do a full review video of this. I did an intro video not too long ago. This is by Nomadic. This is actually a travel camera bag. So it's got all the stuff that I actually need in terms of camera gear. And yeah, can even do that. So there we go.